Once again, it's on. It's Mr. DaCosta, Mr. Cool Cash Cars, aka DJ Caesar. Once again, I'm not a mechanic. What I do is, when I put out a video, it's because I personally was searching for an answer. And either I couldn't find the answer, or the answer was scattered all over the place, or it just wasn't clear and concise. If you have an 06, don't quote me on the years, but if you have an 06 Cadillac SRX V6, or any other vehicle that does not have a trap door under the seat to change the fuel pump, you may want to consider doing this method of cutting the your own trap door under the seat to access. Now, there's some videos out there with people doing it, but nobody's showing you exactly what's going on. The situation is, you got a crank, no start, engine turning off. Woo-woo. Now, first thing we want to do is that it is the fuel pump before you go trying to change stuff, and it's maybe a fuse, or it may be security or any other thing. That's an easy test. Get some starter fluid. Loosen this. Spray a little starter fluid in there on the throttle body. If it started for a second, you know it's your fuel pump. But you don't know it's your fuel pump. You just know your fuel pump is not getting power. You got to do one more check before you say it's the fuel pump. Okay? Come back to the fuel pump. Now, this is where the fuse box is at. One of them, anyway, on this car. Now, imagine there's another one over there. Weird, right? I know it's weird. Anyway, number 15. That's your fuel pump fuse. Check it. That was good. Swap your relay for your fuel pump relay. They're all the same. That was good. So I knew at that point it had to be the fuel pump. Also, just common sense. Common sense. Just, you know, the car is 20-something years old. You have to fucking, I mean, excuse my French, it's like a 10-hour job at least, I would imagine, to drop the tank. If you got the right tools, you can cut that hole in 10 minutes, and that's a 30-minute job. And not, you don't necessarily have to use this tool, but get something similar. This is very easy. Something similar. You may want to even invest in a really good one when you because you don't want nothing too deep that's gonna that may cut wires or cut the tank or nothing like that. So you got a pretty outline right here with your what you call it, this cover that they got right here. But anyway, so we even cut the wire right here by mistake, because again, you only got a couple of inches. See, if you go too far, you might hit that tank. So actually, what you might want to do, again, I would start cutting with a 40 amp set right here up. That would get you clean. You feel me? And and what we did was we went this way, that way, that way. So I didn't cut all the way out. Or you could do it the other way. But it might be safer to do it this way. You got more room. And then we're just gonna feel it over, tape it back up. You got carpet, you know what I'm saying? And you know, little duct tape or some of this, and you good to go. Now, next thing you gotta be mindful of, when you get your new fuel pump, it's gonna be different. It's gonna come with a universal connector there. Now, the colors ain't gonna be exactly the same, but if you look, they're close. Gray gonna go with gray, purple gonna go with blue, orange gonna go with yellow, and black gonna go with black. Then you got the other two that's going up to the center unit right here that we cut by mistake. And that's it. You know, that's it right there. I hope this saves somebody time, a lot of effort. Like, comment, and share. Send it to a friend, because people gonna want to know this, because I sure did. That's why I was very reluctant to do this job. But it is, here we are, success. So I'm sharing my success with you. Cool Cash Cars, Mr. DaCosta, Mr. Cool Cash Cars, aka DJ Caesar. I'm out.